And one day I knew that I would meet a man for whom chivalry is an integral part of life. And today was my lucky day.
Wait till that dream man is a couple of drinks down and you will be doing the same things that you just mentioned all over again. At least I invite you for a cup of coffee. I mean, you have to make it, that's a different thing. But I'm sure Arjun Rampal is going to treat you differently once he's back from Cannes. Take a look.
Now, they say that chivalry is dead, but it's not going to be dead on the Cannes red carpet with Arjun Rampal. Isn't that right, Arjun? Chivalry is not dead in your life and on the Cannes red carpet?
It can't be. It's Shivers. I'm going to represent them. And so they thrive on chivalry, you know. They thrive on chivalry. They thrive on luxury, which is what I work towards, and generosity, which everybody should have.
What do you do? What do you do that's chivalrous in your opinion?
Yeah, you must always let the lady enter first, and you know, you should always let her speak, and you should always
Carry
open
her
the
over
door.
a threshold.
That you do once in a while, but depending on her weight and your strength condition.
Well, with your wife, that's definitely not a problem. That much I can say for sure. Talking about your lovely wife, we hear, I mean, there's no better looking couple, really, honestly, in my opinion. And I think you're just going to take the Cannes red carpet really by storm. You know, with just the two of you just so gorgeous together. So what are both of you all going to be wearing? I know that you really don't care about what you're going to be wearing, but does Meher know what she's going to be wearing? Has she told you? And what you're going to be wearing as well?
Well, you know, it's become, everybody's asking me this, now I'm getting stressed about it.
Don't worry, you could wear a sack and it'll all be fine.
But, I was thinking I'd be really cool and say, if anybody asks me, I'll say I'll wear clothes.
Oh.
But no, you know, now
It's not a cool answer at all.
Yeah, but now I'm getting very nervous. I think I'm going to go back home and figure out with my wife what I should wear. But I know Meher's wearing Tarun.
Okay.
She's going to definitely wear Tarun, and Tarun is her favorite designer.
Yeah.
And as long as she looks good, she'll make me look good.
Absolutely.
So that's fine.
So humble, I tell you. The chivalry angle, the chivalry angle. You know, obviously there have been a lot of people every time, you know, at Cannes, there's so much of attention really on the fashion angle of it. And a lot of people say, you know, we've got it wrong at Cannes a lot of years because, you know, we've not gone the Indian route in terms of the fashion. You've always gone the Western route in terms of...
Now you're making me
so see, so would you consider something like that? Maybe like, you know, in the whole Desi avatar.
Maybe I'll just pull out my clothes from the Rajneeti wardrobe. No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
You know, I think you wear what you're comfortable in.
Yeah.
You know, it's not about just wearing Indian. They know we are Indians.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
they know we're representing India in a way. I think Meher is going to have a certain, definitely, an ethnic touch to her clothing. Me, I really don't know. Okay. I think I could either wear a tux or maybe even a sherwani. Okay. I don't know.
Interesting. Well, we shall take the pressure off you for a little
But
bit
I
at
think
least.
if I wear a sherwani and she's wearing something Indian, we'll start looking as we're going to get married again. So, and that's
That may not be too bad, actually. I have to say, you're looking great. We love this whole new look.
My mood.
Yeah,
Really?
the whole look. Like I said when I walked in, you are looking quite different. What have been the reactions and what's this whole look about? I mean, we know, but do you want to tell the viewers as well?
Well, this is actually for Chakravyu, the film that I'm doing with Prakash Jha in Pachmari. So, yeah, I'm playing a cop.
Yeah.
And so I have to look nice and
Yeah.
proper, a nice
It's a
Muslim.
very arresting look because
Very-
you're a cop.
yeah.
A very bad joke.
Very bad. Oh, it's worse than my clothes joke.
Very bad.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.